This partwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up partworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 92 of Building Robocop. In this issue, we're putting the battery cover in place. The forging of a Cybercop. The nice little tray that they put him in. 3D modelling of it. Pretty cool stuff. I've been learning some 3D modelling myself. Nothing to this standard, obviously. There you go. That was that. Like Peter Weller, Jerry Cooper had to deal with a major obstacle when it came to getting in the shoes of Robocop. The discomfort of wearing the cyborg robot suit. Oh, suit weighs 45 pounds, consistently uncomfortable, constantly at the wrong temperature, either too hot or too cold. There you go. Cool. Yes, so this is the battery cover, nice and easy. We've just got a spring to go into there. A spring that sort of holds in place. Our washer is going to sort of hold the spring in place, I should think. Don't know why we need a spring. But there we go, then the battery cover goes in place. Nice and easy. Somewhere to keep the batteries. The Guardian XO, how to be Superman. Yeah, exoskeletons. Improved strength and everything else. Dark era. DARQ. Post-digital. Don't know what that. Oh, there you go. Distributed ledger, artificial intelligence, extended reality, and quantum computing. Cool. I don't know what distributed ledger is, but if you want to read all about that, you can feel free to pause all that. I don't know, 8800, is that good? Feels like it should be better than that for surgery. Let me clear this out of the way and we'll get this battery cover built and fitted. Okay, here we have it. Still got nice shaping on it, even though you're never going to see that bit while the armour's in place. We have two washers for some reason. I assume we're in danger of losing one. One spring and one screw. The screw goes through there. Come on, through you go. There we go. The spring goes onto that. And then that washer goes onto the screw. That is tight. Maybe I have to screw it into the washer. Let's try that. Because we do want the washer to be stuck in place. We don't want the spring to come off when I need to take the battery cover off to put new batteries in. Feels like it's doing a thing. Yeah, that's done a thing. That's now screwed onto there. So I'm assuming that will go on even better when I put that to the body itself. So let's bring back the body. I've got it standing just over here. Out of the way. So there we go. So that should go in on there, and on there, and then that will go down. Yeah, there we go. That's much nicer than it was. Cool. I've put the arm pieces in the right place as well now. They're just pushed in place, so they're not floating around loose anymore. And we're definitely getting there with the Robocop build. We've obviously got the whole front areas to do. This is where those magnets were. Don't know why we need to take off the front piece, but there you go. So that is that. Another issue done. I shall see you for more very soon. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye-bye for now.